Imagine standing on a planet where every breath smells like rotten eggs. Not because something died there, but because the atmosphere is filled with toxic hydrogen sulfide. Scientists using the incredibly powerful James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, may have just discovered a completely new type of planet. Not a rocky Earth-like world, not a giant gas planet, not even an ocean world. This strange alien planet called L9859d belongs to an entirely new category that scientists are only beginning to understand. The discovery began when astronomers pointed JWST toward a nearby star system about 35 light-years away from Earth. That system contains several exoplanets orbiting a small red dwarf star. But one planet immediately stood out, L9859d. At first glance, it's larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune, a category scientists call sub-Neptunes. But here's the weird thing. We don't have anything like them in our solar system, and that makes them incredibly mysterious. So scientists use JWST to analyze the planet's atmosphere by watching starlight pass through it. Different gases absorb different wavelengths, which means scientists can basically read an atmosphere like a barcode. And what JWST found shocked researchers. The atmosphere appears to contain large amounts of hydrogen sulfide. Now you might be thinking, okay, gross, but why is this important? Until now, astronomers mostly grouped planets into categories we already understand, like rocky, gas, or ice giants. But L9859d doesn't fit. Its atmosphere is too dense to be Earth-like, and too small to be a gas giant, which means we may be looking at an entirely new planetary class, a world dominated by sulfur chemistry. This discovery wasn't random. It came from the 45 Planet Study, an ambitious project to understand galactic diversity. Some planets have clouds of metal vapor. Others may have oceans of magma or rain molten glass sideways. But L9859d is fascinating because it revealed a sulfur-rich atmosphere unlike anything previously observed. If you could stand near L98, you definitely wouldn't survive. The hydrogen sulfide itself is deadly. The skies might look hazy or yellowish because sulfur compounds can scatter light in strange ways. Could life exist here? The answer is maybe. Certain microorganisms on Earth survive in sulfur-rich environments. But the conditions on L9859d appear extremely hostile, with high temperatures and powerful radiation. JWST is transforming astronomy by studying tiny changes in infrared light to read planetary chemistry. We are entering an era where humanity is no longer just discovering planets. We are beginning to understand them. Tell me in the comments, what do you think is the weirdest planet scientists will discover next? Like and subscribe for more.